Good morning, children. Let's begin our class with the exercise part of the first chapter. So, first chapter, first Roman. Number the sentences in the correct sequence. Already I have mentioned here the number. I'll give you the snapshot. You do put the numbers accordingly. Okay. And the question answer already you have written. So this you see, children, this is your reflect that you have to do here. Think critically and complete this task. Your challenge is to draw four straight lines which go through the middle of all the dots without taking the pencil off the paper. So listen here, you have to cover all the dots. You have to use all the dots by using straight lines, and once you put your pencil, no, you should not take off your pencil. Okay, now understood? So here what I did, I started here. You may start from any position that draw the lines one after the other without taking your pencil off the page. Each line start where the last line finishes. So I started here, then here, then here, here, without. Okay, you do that also. And now, grandma, do you remember what is prepositions are? Damu is saying, yes, I do. Prepositions connect nouns, pronouns or phrases with other words in a sentence, showing how they related. Do you know that in certain cases we do not use prepositions? Can you explain, please? So what is, before that we should know what is preposition is. Preposition is used to connect noun, pronouns or phrases with other words in a sentence. Okay, showing how they are related in a sentence. These are some preposition words: in, on, out, below, above, under, to, off, inside, outside. So many are there. Okay, so it is used to show the relation between noun or pronoun in a sentence or a phrases, right? How they are related. We should not use that later. There is a cat sitting dash table, on the table, sitting on the table. I kept my books in the corner. So these are some prepositions. Okay, but preposition has also some rules, that every place we should not use preposition in a sentence. Okay, we do not use preposition before a transitive verb. Transitive verb means when a verb and object comes together, that is transitive verb. The policeman caught to the thief. So it is a transitive verb. Caught, thief, verb and object. So here correct sentence is the policeman caught the thief. Okay, no need of any prepositions here. In the other example, with expressions of place and time, for example, when we are expressing about the place or time also, we should not use their preposition. Please wait for a minute. When we are expressing something, you are calling for a means you are hungry and you are asking for the food, and you are asking your mother, give me, and mother reply, please wait for a minute. That is wrong sentence. Please wait a minute. Okay, and here also grandma is saying some other things also there. We should not use their preposition. That is, you should also note that when expression of time such as morning, evening, day, night, month, year are preceded by qualifying words. Okay, when these words, this morning, that morning, next morning, every morning, last morning, this evening, that evening, next evening, every evening, last evening. Okay, this day, that day, next day, every day, last day, night, this night, that night, next night. Okay, this month, last month, this year, last year. So we in this, when these words are coming with these specifying month or year or something expression of time, you should not use their preposition. For example, here we saw the movie in this morning. Already it is qualifying the morning, in this morning. This is there, no? So unnecessarily in is coming here. So it is a wrong. We should not use preposition. What is the correct sentence? We saw the movie this morning. Okay, clear? However, if the expression of time have no qualifying words before them, we use preposition. If these words are not there, this, that, next, every, last are not there, then we can use happily prepositions. See here, we saw the movie in the morning. In the morning. Here this, that, next, every, last not there, no? So here we can use preposition. Generally we don't use a preposition before the word home. I am going to home, she is going to home. So that is wrong sentence. Okay, he is going to home, he is going home. So before home also we should not use preposition. However, if the word home is used in this sense of house or has a possessive adjective, an appropriate preposition is used. See, Rohan came to my home. My home, possession. I am the owner of the house and he came to my home. I am going to Kansiram's house, Kansiram's home. I am going to Sri Aswin's home. I am going to Kirti's house or Kriti's home. So when it is you are declaring that we are going to someone's house, then you can use to there. So here a work for you, task for you. Read the sentence given below. Cross the ones in which preposition have not been used. Which is what they said. Read the sentence given below. Cross the ones. You have to only cross, not to tick. Cross the ones in which preposition have not been used. Ritu is coming tomorrow. Here no preposition. They are hoping to request for an assistant.